On September 9th, 2018, the Traverse Area Camera Club had their final beach cleanup and gathering at Esch Road Beach, also known as Otter Creek. Here's some of the video of what we did, as well as some of the images that I captured that evening. It's always a fantastic time to hang out with other like-minded people and learn a few new tricks. So please just sit back, enjoy some of these images I captured, and have a great day. I'll see you on the other side of the lens. I thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the other side of the lens.